media education in India, honing the pride of imparting creative education to more than 2 lakh students. Now introduces Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit. This first and only one of its kind creative exploration is available to the budding talents aged between 4 to 15 years. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit provides a world of materials in a fully loaded and age-appropriate toolkit housing model-making materials, drawing and painting materials, craft materials, electronic and mechanical components, and supporting materials for photography, videography, animation creation, and garment and accessory creation, thus enabling barrier-free learning. The video tutorials that come with the kit provide visual demonstrations of various tactile, digital, and robotics activities, taking students through the step-by-step procedure of completing each activity. SD card is provided to give the students the freedom to learn anywhere, anytime, without any dependency on the internet or power. Also, the kit comes with the Imageminds books that embrace all necessary learning information and clear guidance towards performing the activities. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit comes with the various advantages for the students, such as preparing them towards STEAM and STREAM, Industry 4.0 and 5.0, instilling innovation, strengthening their attention network, improving self-confidence, developing divergent thinking, building problem-solving skills, providing freedom of expression and strengthening social and emotional skills. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Program allows the young minds to choose a course of their interest and explore the creative stream in depth. The courses are Foundation in Visual Arts, with 28 engaging activities opening up a whole new world that triggers the students' natural curiosity to interact with the objects around. Painting and Illustration, Paper to Pixel, with 27 thought-provoking activities that provide unlimited opportunities to explore inquisitive skills and improve cognitive strength. Foundation in Graphic Designing, housing 19 intriguing activities that nurtures problem-solving skills by providing opportunities to express own ideas in the form of visual design. Digital photography with 17 fascinating activities that enables children to come up with their own perspective of objects and environment around. Digital filmmaking with 15 alluring activities that guide students to produce professional videos and promote role plays, research skills, and knowledge retention. Experimental animation techniques with 24 fascinating activities that brings out the children's individuality and innovation in presenting a story. 3D modeling with 17 explorative activities that kindles the problem-solving and logical reasoning skills through tactile and digital 3D modeling. Mobile app development with 6 interactive activities that provide opportunities to engage with the process of experimenting ideas with technology. Fashion designing with 23 engaging fashion planning and garment and accessory creation activities to inspire students to experiment ideas through fashion designing. AI application development with 9 interactive activities that help students develop applications that recognize different forms of user input and respond accordingly. 3D game development and AR, VR technologies with engaging activities that empowers the students to develop games and applications with the use of futuristic technologies. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today.